Well, look at that. The Coleman lantern chimney does fit in the Drake L4B amplifier. It was all $14 on Amazon. Instead of paying Ham Hi-Fi $130 for 2 chimneys for the Drake, I didn't want 2 chimneys. I just bought this, and this is due to a viewer on my YouTube channel who was very smart and actually watched and commented my videos. He suggested to try one of these, and he was right. He saw a homemade amplifier using these chimneys, and the guy is so smart. So here's the old one that got broken. I taped it up, but it's gonna go in the trash can now. And this thing is Coleman. I did put it in upside down, but I don't think I'm gonna bother turning it over. It's in there. It's a little higher than the other one, but it fits. As far as being wide, it's wider by a bit, but if you look at how these things are fitting, I don't think the case, in fact, this one, which is original, is sticking out a bit further, so that'll work. I don't see any interference. I think the wires will go over the top just fine, so hooray, hooray. Now I can spend money on a 500Z tube to put in this thing. No more problems looking for chimneys. So again, you can use a Coleman chimney in these old Drake L4Bs. Here's the Coleman chimney again. No sense overspending on eBay for sellers which think they have gold, which I guess they do, but this apparently is a good part. Let's turn this thing over and get the Coleman insignia here. Focus. Does it have a number on it? Yeah, it does. Trying to zoom this thing. There's a globe right there. Look at that. This is what you want to put in your Drake L4B linear or similar linear, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.